Alright, this is the same Walmart that has the MacroAirs. There's a Better Homes and Gardens. This Mainstays. Our Better Homes and Gardens. Mainstays Comet knockoff. Also, that's a Mainstays. Kind of reminds me of a Prominence home. It's in there. Based from a Home Elegance. I got Mainstays. 5-blade ventless, and there's right there, and the matte black 42-inch one. Despite that, they deserve that. I hate them so much. I wonder if the socket fan is still here or something. I don't see it anywhere. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere. Anyways, thanks for watching. Alright, never mind. I found the socket fan right there. There's this one right there. And anyways, thanks for watching.